talk to me a little bit about any changes that you see in the industry that are coming up? Any changes in the industry that you're excited about, or you see on the horizon that you would like to kind of give us a little insight towards?
Yeah, I mean, I think there's always change, right? The thing about technology is it's always progressing, and certain things get hyped and certain things get don't depending on the timing. But I think there's some legitimately good products and capabilities coming out uh, around AI, and you've seen some examples of using it to overlay the public web, like in ChatGPT, to be able to get answers, right? But the same kind of language learning models can be used within enterprises. Not to go out to the web to get answers for their agents, because it's kind of immaterial to get a website, but to be use the same technology to understand these high performing personas that Amplify generates, right? How today we're using data to understand that high performing persona, and we're expecting the leader or the learning and training team to be able to give us content to coach to them. But in the future, as you think about having the ability to use these personas and getting access to their chat sessions and voice transcripts, Amplify with its language learning models can get in the knowledge business. We can tell you exactly what you have to say to overcome this objection that your high performers are saying, right? We can teach that directly to your new hires. We can teach that directly because once you have the knowledge and you have the data, the connecting them together is the glue that Amplify provides. So without the data, we can get into the knowledge business of exactly what it takes to make what's happening in the conversations and the chats the high performers are doing, and then we can actually using the new capabilities with the large language learning models. Because the biggest challenge I think a lot of companies have in the knowledge part is it's easy to create best practices and knowledge bases. The hard part is keeping them up to date because your world is always changing, right? How you answer something today may be different than how you answer it in 3 months. Your products change, competitors have changed, all kinds of things have changed. But now throwing that's a challenge that it requires throwing a lot of labor at. Amplify will be able to automate that entire process, having a real-time updated knowledge base with all the proper content, using and mining your high-performing persona for what they actually do and say.